This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 19 VT is a Class C RV. It is located in Longmont, Colorado, 80504 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Longmont. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 19 VT is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.